What are the best new car values for 2020? Buying a new car is exciting and expensive. You might be eager to hit the road, but don't forget that MSRP is only a fraction of your car's actual cost. Keeping the wheels turning isn't free, and ownership expenses stack up. After a few years on the road, which cars are most likely to be the best values? IntelliChoice has years of experience with this, and the company has just revealed the 2020 Best Overall Value Award winners. By calculating a vehicle's actual 5-year ownership costs against its expected costs, IntelliChoice, a part of the Motor Trend Group, determines overall values for nearly every model on the market. Cars that offer excellent value have the lowest cost of ownership, which factors depreciation, insurance, repairs, maintenance, financing, state fees, and fuel over 5 years. Keep watching to find out which vehicles are the best new car values, and check out the chart at the bottom for a full list of winners across all categories. From sports cars and sedans to trucks and SUVs. 20 Best Overall Value Popular Vehicle, Jeep Wrangler. Jeep's iconic off-roader is the best value for non-premium vehicles, again. Specifically, the Wrangler Unlimited with the 2.0-liter Turbo 4 engine has a $32,645 5-year total cost of ownership, over $20,000 less than the expected $53,976. Totals vary depending on trim level, but 2020 marks the 4th consecutive year the Wrangler has won the Best Overall Value Popular Vehicle Award, and the 5th consecutive year it's won in the Compact Utility category. It was also Motor Trend's 2019 SUV of the Year. You can pop the doors off and hit the trail, knowing that your four-wheeling fun won't cost much, thanks in part to excellent resale value, provided you keep the rubber side down. (2020) Best Overall Value Premium Vehicle, Lexus NX 300h. In IntelliChoice's latest findings, no premium vehicle is as strong a value as the Lexus NX 300h. This compact luxury crossover has a $43,501 5-year cost of ownership, far less than the $51,236 expected total average. That's aided by the NX 300h's hybrid fuel economy and Lexus' renowned reliability. The NX's angular styling makes a statement, and its ride and handling will please occupants in any seat. Once again, this urbane upscale SUV proves its value. 2020 is the 3rd year in a row the NX 300h has won the Best Overall Value Premium Vehicle Award. It's also the 8th consecutive year a Lexus has won the Overall Value Premium Vehicle Award. Best Overall Value Popular Brand, Toyota. A 2020 Best Overall Value victory among popular brands again demonstrates that Toyotas are inexpensive to buy and run. Several Toyotas again won their respective classes this year. The Tacoma has won the Best Overall Value in the mid-size pickup class for the last 4 years, and the Highlander has won in the full-size utility class the last 7 years. See the full list of 2020 winners below. In its debut year, The Corolla Hybrid triumphed in the compact passenger car class. Also worthy of mention is the Prius, which has won awards for lowest fuel costs and lowest operating costs in the passenger car class for the last 10 consecutive years. Toyota's 2020 first place finish is a step up from last year's second place. This year, second goes to Honda, also a step up. However, Subaru, 2019 single quote S Best Overall Value Popular Brand, drops to third place for 2020. Highest retained value popular brand, Jeep. Jeepers love Jeeping, evidenced by Jeep's win in the highest retained value popular brand category. This award focuses only on the dollar amount the vehicle will be worth in a private party transaction after 5 years of ownership. Just like in 2019, Jeep's win among mainstream vehicles, holding 57.46% of their value. That's better than Subaru's 55.92% and Toyota's 55.07%. Lowest cost of ownership popular brand, Honda. IntelliChoice determines a vehicle's ownership cost by factoring insurance, repair, maintenance, financing, fees, and fuel expenses against depreciation. For 2020, Honda's lineup has the lowest average cost of ownership, at $35,282. That edges out second place Mitsubishi's $35,496 average, and third step Subaru's $35,595 average. Overall value premium brand, Volvo. Suave style and upscale features make Volvo cars attractive. But their long-term ownership costs and value retention earned them the 2020 Best Overall Value Award among premium brands. For the third time in a row, the S60 sedan has won in the premium compact passenger car class, and the XC90, MotorTrend's 2016 SUV of the Year, triumphed in the luxury utility class. Volvo's focus on safety helps reduce insurance costs, and its commitment to four-cylinder and hybrid powertrains keeps fuel expenditures low. A first-place award in 2020 is an improvement over Volvo's 2019 second place. For 2020, the second best overall value premium brand is Lexus, which won in 2019. Third was awarded to Cadillac in 2019, but Acura took it for 2020. Highest retained value premium brand, Porsche. Porsches are renowned for their sporty performance and exceptional quality. The marque earns a highest retained value premium brand award for 2020, with its vehicles holding 53.69% of their value. That bests Lexus' 49.18% and Acura's 46.37%. Lowest cost of ownership premium brand, Acura. Honda applies its cost-saving know-how to its Acura premium brand, earning Acura IntelliChoice